In today's society, many people are still judged because of their gender. Some are told what they can or cannot do. Some voices are ignored. Some dreams are limited. But gender does not define ability, intelligence, or worth.
Everyone deserves respect, no matter what gender you are.
We all have talents and skills. We are equally capable.
Babae ka lang. Kaya yan.
Pinipigil mga luhang nanlalamig sa gabing pinagahimay.
Hindi yan bagay sa'yo.
Pakinggan ng boses na bumubulong, pakinggan ng naranasan mo. Kaya ng kwentong
Don't be crying. You're a boy. You're not allowed to be weak and emotional. Equal voices. Equal choices.
We can support equality, and we can make every voice heard. Equal voices, equal choices.